Installing a vented Bespoke laundry combo uses all the steps of installing a washer-dryer pair combined into a single unit. Let's cover what you'll need to get started. You'll need a set of laundry water supply lines, a ventilation kit, and a power cord suitable for your electric system. Be sure to consult the manual for details and suit these parts to the available supplies in your laundry area. You'll need some simple tools as well. Have a Phillips head screwdriver and some channel lock pliers handy, as well as tools to measure your space. The Bespoke laundry combo requires an inch of clearance on each side and on top. Also, leave at least 4 inches behind the unit to accommodate ducting. Your laundry combo replaces both your washer and dryer, so it needs a steady, flat floor with access to hot and cold water, drainage, and 240-volt power. Before getting started with connections, it is important to remove the shipping bolts from the rear of the appliance. Use the closed end of the included wrench to remove the shipping bolts. First, connect hoses to your hot and cold water taps. Hand tighten the connector, then use pliers to tighten an additional 2/3 of a turn. Drain the hoses into a bucket for 10 to 15 seconds to flush impurities from the line. Connect the hoses to their respective inlets on the laundry combo. Again, hand tighten, then turn an additional 2/3 of a turn with pliers. Open the water taps and check for leaks. Next, install the drain hose. Attach the plastic hose guide to the drain hose. And insert it into the standpipe. If a drain pipe is unavailable, consult the manual for alternate options. You can secure the drain hose and supply hoses with cable ties if necessary to avoid noise. Please consult the manual for alternate drain system instructions. Now connect the power cable. Remove the electrical box from the rear of the unit. Many power cables are color-coded to match the supply requirements of dryers, including the laundry combo. Be sure to consult any documentation and the user manual to ensure a proper connection. Replace the electrical box. Now install a ventilation duct kit to the unit. Refer to the kit manual for installation tips and requirements. A rigid ventilation kit is preferred. This kit requires a clamp at both ends. Be sure to make the vent ducting as short and straight as possible to help avoid clogs and obstructions. Finally, we'll level the laundry combo. Check the level along the top and sides of the appliance. Use the included wrench to adjust the feet so that the laundry combo is completely level. Turn clockwise to raise the foot and counterclockwise to lower it as needed. Once adjustments are complete, turn to tighten the locking nuts. Now you can plug in the unit and turn it on. The main screen will allow you to select certain initial settings such as language and run you through a tutorial. It is recommended at this time to run a calibration cycle. Select Settings, Washer, Calibration, and start the sequence.